How to reply to Instagram message Android. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reply on Instagram message Android. First, open your App Store. From here, search and go to Instagram app. Now, make sure your Instagram app is updated. If not, then update your Instagram app. After that, open your phone settings. Now scroll down and tap on General. Now, tap on iPhone Storage. From here, scroll down and tap on Instagram. Then select Offload App. After it's done, reinstall your Instagram app from App Store. Then open your Instagram app. From here, go to Messages. Now, just swipe right on the message that you want to reply to. As you can see, I'm being able to reply to this specific message. And that's it. Please like, share, and comment. Hope you got some value and see you in the next video.